Crude oil yesterday has breached below the critical support zone at 69.870 and has in fact reached 69.3, moving all the way towards 68.6, the next strongest support here. While it is natural gas which has beautifully continued on the upward journey and has now moved close to 4.18, 4.2 zone. What to expect now from oil and gas? Can we expect oil to fall more? Can we expect it to trade below the next critical support at 67.868? Or the inventory data today might bring the reversal. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till. And friends, do like, share, and comment. Your every like, share, and comment is a great motivation, inspiration for me to deliver to the best of my abilities consistently twice a day. Let's start. First oil, followed with gas. Watch till. Oil on the early charts, as you can see, the bigger drop, then the retracement, then the bigger drop, and now it is just consolidating its position, strengthening in between this channel. And see, this is how it has been trading. You can see the next round of rise. It is the channel in which it is trading, and the highs of this channel are now at 70.6, and the reversal confirmation is above 71.2. So first, there is a possibility that it can, yes, keep moving upwards, but only buying entry I will recommend is at 69.3, where you can expect it to move towards 69.5, 69.6, the first resistance, and then all the way towards 70. Now 70 should be a very good resistance here. This was the support. Now this is going to be the resistance for the day, and then if it is taken, you can say 70.5, 70.6 should be there. The stochastic looking down, MACD has formed a double bottom. Crossing over here is a good sign for the near term bulls. RSI is staying oversold, which suggests that there could be a little recovery in the oil prices. Look at 2 hour. Similar is the observation on the 2 hour chart. See, the crossover in the moving average is definitely a bearish sign. Price is trading within this wave. The highs of the wave are certainly above 70, and thus we have to watch out at least how it behaves at around 70, 70.6, and 71.2. A reversal confirmation above 71.2. Stochastic rising. The MACD is trading bearish here. It is trying to converge, not yet crossing over. See, these are the levels from which it always tries to bounce back. Let's see if this is the reversal level for crude oil here. RSI is staying oversold, which also calls for it to recover a little. Coming to the 3 hour chart, similar observation here on the 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, see one greener candle. It was, remember, prices were outside Bollinger Bands. Now the bands have expanded to consolidation candle, and hence thus now the next candle might be a greener one, which can take the prices higher. So yes, you can buy here at 69.2, 69.3 zone, expected to move all the way towards 69.6, 70, 70.2 at the next, and then in fact 70.5, 70.6. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish, and the RSI is staying oversold, which calls for a little recovery. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, similar is the observation here. See a bit of consolidation, and now a possible recovery cannot be denied. If you see it is staying above 69.2, 69.3, you can initiate a buying entry and expect it to move upwards. Now see, here also the moving averages are trading with divergence, trading bearish. Look at the formation drop, retracement drop, and it could retrace. Retracement is possible, but right now it is not showing any stronger strength for it to recover sharp. Stochastic is staying oversold, MACD sharply bearish, RSI oversold. So things are definitely oversold, which calls for a recovery. But right now I can say it is too early to conclude. Let's have a look at the daily chart. See the crossover in the moving averages, not a good sign. Notice the another observation here is, see the support it is shown here from these levels. Only and only if now oil trades below 65, 67 zone, you can say now this is a long-term reversal. Else what is happening, I can still see this as a bullish channel in which it is trading, and a recovery from here can be expected as long as now 67.8, 68 is not breached. Now also notice the formation here, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and this is the next round of drop here. Yes, it is almost breached the channel in which it is trading, which is not a very good sign for the bulls out here. Yes, breaching below this channel is not a good sign, but yes, I will only now recommend you to sell if you now see it is staying below 68.8 levels, where you can expect 68.5, 68.4 as the first target, 68, 67.8 as the next. As long as these levels are respected, we should not be treating this as bearish. Now, before I provide you the further levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your query. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a sweat-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, notice still reversal is possible, drop, retracement, drop, and it could start to retrace, and inventory data today can reverse the complete trend, and thus a move beyond 71.2 is something you should watch out for. Look at the first stochastic. This is oversold here. The MACD is trading extremely bearish, though it is at bottom, but I can see it is diverging again, and the RSI is looking downward. So now the buying entry is at 69.2, 69.3 levels. Expect 69.5, 69.6 as the first target, 70 as the next 70, 70.2 is the next critical milestone which it needs to break, then 70.6. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 71.2, and if 71.2 is taken, I think this is a complete reversal all the way towards 72, 73. Chances for which appears to be less. And on the downside, as I said, till 67.8, you need to be careful. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural. See, natural gas on the hourly charts. First of all, it is done with the gap filling now. It has come towards the crucial zone at 4.2. Very, very important for it to now trade beyond 4.2. As now see what has happened here after hitting the lows, it has reversed. And as I have mentioned, once it trades beyond 4.05, we can see a very good move. And that is what has happened. It has breached 4.05 and has kept moving towards the gap filling at 4.18, 4.2. Now 4.2 is very, very crucial for it to break. Moving averages have crossed over, which is again a good sign. Though the stochastic is dropped, the MACD is also after retracement may converge here, though it is not that it cannot rise further, but possible conversion cannot be denied here. RSI overbought, trying to cool down. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. Possibility of a move in this channel where the highs now are 4.2, and thus it is very, very crucial for net gas to break beyond 4.2 as the reversal cannot be denied. While if you see it is staying below 4.1 anyway, that could be a good sign for us to take a selling entry for 4.05, 3.98 levels, below which you can expect further correction. Stochastic here is overbought. See, MACD after hitting the lows is now crossed over, looking upwards here. RSI comfortable. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. See, it is creating steps and it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now it has to drop below 4.1. Below 4.1 is where you can expect the bearishness to prevail, as right now too early to confirm that either it is bullish or bearish. I can see it trading in this nice flag formation. The lows of this flag are now towards 3.9, 3.8 zone. Stochastic overbought. MACD hitting the lows have now crossed over, trading with little divergence, little bullishness, looking upwards. RSI is rising. Coming to 4-hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Yes, it is done with the gap filling, and now 4.2 is the level beyond which you can expect slight bearishness to prevail. Moving averages here are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over here, trading with moderate divergence, moderate bullishness here. This is a good sign for the bulls. RSI is staying flat. Now, when you look at the daily, on the daily charts, notice after this retracement, it is trying to recover. It has shown couple of modest bearish candles and now looking upward. So, if it trades above 4.2, now you can stay with the buys. Expect 4.2, 4.28, 4.3, and now once it trades beyond 4.3 is where the bulls will take over, and I will wait for it to trade beyond 4.4. Notice rise, retracement, and now if it starts to rise, we can look forward to a greater up move all the way towards 4.6. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is still in green, looking upwards, and the RSI is looking upwards as well. So considering this, very, very simple, buying at 4.18, 4.2 should be there, where you can expect it to move higher towards 4.2425. First target zone 4.3 next, and then beyond that we can expect it to move all the way towards 4.4, chances for which appears to be less. While on the downside, a selling entry is now at 4.1 to 4.1 levels, expected to move towards 4.0506. The first support zone very, very strong. The next is at 4.024, and if that is taken, then we are looking forward to a corrective move all the way towards 3.94, 3.88, and then below that a greater sharp dip may appear, though right now the stance is not so aggressively bearish in natural gas. Thus take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. That will be giving you a fair bit of idea of what to expect from oil and gas. With the US session inventory data release must bring the volatility and hence in the crude oil, and hence trade with caution, trade with the stop loss, and trade with the trailing stop loss, and do not miss to watch the next update. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.